children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Radhika and today we are starting a chapter that name is The Beautiful Vases. About the chapter, this story shows the king's love for collecting pretty flower vases, and all the toys are dressed in a funny way. All of them enjoyed the party. So once upon a time there lived a king. He loved collecting beautiful flower vases और उसे flower vase इकट्ठे करना बहुत ही पसंद था. One day he made an announcement that the person who makes the most beautiful vase will be paid 100 gold coin. एक दिन वो announce करता है कि जो भी सबसे सुंदर वास बनाएगा उसको 100 gold coins मिलेंगे. A fair was organized where many people kept their flower vases to display. एक मेला लगाया जाता है. Organize means systematic तरीके से organize करना, ठीक है, लगाना. So जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग अपने flower vase को display करते हैं. The king selected the most beautiful vase of all. सबसे सुंदर vase जो है king select करता है, मतलब choose करता है. And the man who had made that vase was given 100 gold coin. And he was then ordered to make 1000 similar vases. और राजा कहता है गोल्ड कॉइन देकर उसको कि ऐसे ही 1000 सेम vases बनाओ. Similar means same. The king wanted to decorate his entire palace with such beautiful vases. क्योंकि king अपने decorate means सजाना चाहता था. Entire means पूरे complete palace को, महल को beautiful vases से सजाना चाहता था. Soon that man made 1000 similar vases and got a good amount paid for them from the king. इस तरीके से उसे वो vases बनाता है और उसे बहुत सारे पैसे मिलते हैं. The king ordered one of his servants to display those vases in his palace. While doing his duty, one of the vases broken by accident. एक vase टूट जाता है. When the king came to know this, he was very angry. He passed a death sentence on the servant. और उस servant को death sentence यानी कि उसको मरने की सजा दे देता है. There lived a wise old man in that kingdom. When he heard of the incident, जब उसने इस घटना के बारे में सुना, he went to the king palace and said, I know the art of repairing broken vases. कि मुझे आता है रिपेयर करना. जो भी broken vases होते हैं मैं उनको रिपेयर यानी कि दोबारा जोड़ सकता हूँ. The king became very happy to hear the claim of the old man. The king said, if you repair the broken vase, I will pay you whatever you ask for. ठीक है? He ordered his officers to show the old man all the vases. The old man then raised his stick and broke all the vases. वो क्या करता है old man? अपनी stick लेता है और सारे vases को तोड़ देता है. On seeing what the old man had done, the king was mad with anger. राजा को तो बहुत गुस्सा आता है ये देखकर. He asked the old man why he did so. The old man replied, each of these vases would have taken one human life. Now you can take only one life and that is mine. कि अच्छा हुआ मैंने ये सारे vases तोड़ दिए. एक vases के बदले तो तुम एक आदमी की जान ले लेते हो. अब इतने vases के बदले तो सिर्फ मुझे मारोगे. And the king's anger cooled on hearing the answer given by the old man. और राजा का गुस्सा ये सुनकर शांत हो जाता है. He forgave the old man and the guilty servant as well. और इस तरीके से old man को भी माफ़ कर देता है और जो guilty servant था जिससे वो वास टूटा था उसको भी वो माफ़ कर देता है. So this is the story. What's to know? Vases means container to use for holding cut flowers. Announcement means to make a statement or to declare. Organize to plan an event. Selected to choose. Similar, look like. Entire means complete. Repairing means to put damaged thing back into original condition. Guilty means feeling bad about something a person done. Decorate means beautify. Incident means something that happens. Now it's the turn of the exercise. फर्स्ट इज टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द किंग लव टू कलेक्ट ब्यूटिफुल, क्या आएगा, फ्लावर वासेस. सो यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. Next is fill in the blanks. First is he ordered his dash to show the old man all the vases. He ordered his officers. So you have to fill the correct blank. Next is true false. First is the king loved the beautiful flower vases. Yes, true. So write down T or F according to the statement. Next is who said. First is I will pay you whatever you ask for. King said this. So like that you have to write down the name of the people who said this statement. Next is question answer. First है what did the king love? The king loved to collect beautiful vases. So this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the remaining exercise yourself.